Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can change wallpaper on Chromebook. Now, this is pretty easy and straightforward, so let's start. So there are multiple ways to do it, and first I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it. So all you have to do is go to your desktop. Now right click on the screen and click on Set Wallpaper. Alright, now this is going to show you your current pictures, and also there are different options that you can choose from. We have landscape and all other categories that you can choose from. Now for this example, let's go to cityscapes, and maybe we can try and choose this one. So once you click it, it is going to change your background automatically. So that is the quickest and the easiest way to do it. So you can also do this by going to your settings here and go to personalization and then go to wallpaper. So this is going to take you to the same spot where you had earlier. So from this part, you can just follow the same process and you are good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.